Hi there, Frank George here to unbox and present today the JISULIFE Ultra1 Instant Cooling Fan. It's handheld, it's so small and compact you can take it with you anywhere, anytime to cool off. It's a multifunctional fan with strong wind power, yet ultra light, only weighs 11 ounces. It's especially suitable for camping, outdoors, traveling, music festivals, and indoors too when it gets warm from all the people surrounding you. As you'll see, it's as powerful as a hairdryer and will run up to 6 hours on a 2.5-hour charge. Here's how it comes shipped to you in this nice case. The components are packed really well, individually protected. Here is the fan. And the accessory box, a stand for the fan, and a cone-shaped accessory to concentrate the airflow, and another accessory to concentrate the airflow in a different direction. And in the accessory box comes a strap for your fan, a brush to be able to clean dust off of the fan, and charging cables, and a handy instruction manual as well. This handheld fan is really high quality and boasts an impressive 75,000 ultra high-speed motor and turbo design, offering you peak wind speed up to 19.2 ms or meters per second. Yet it's quite quiet. Listen. You can even blow down objects. It's that strong. Let's use it on some of the packing material. It's moving this fortune cookie. Watch it blow over a Sudafed box. It's got aviation-grade all-aluminum alloy blades inside. And the adjustable scroll wheel right here allows you to control the wind speed. 1 to 100 gears, so you can adjust and enjoy and customize your personal experience. There's also an LED digital display screen so you can check the wind speed and the power. It also has a light band too, and 3 modes to choose from. On a personal note, my wife loves this because it keeps her nice and cool. She's always hot. She loves the 9,000 mAh large battery inside. It gives her lots of power and a long life. The unit has a metal body and excellent oxidation technology that ensures the best handling feeling. This will last you a really long time. It's super durable and strong. It's made with hardened steel in the core, and it has over voltage and short circuit protection too. So get yours today. It's strong and powerful. Really strong.